Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix more icons on the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen. After click on home screen, scroll down and you will see click on home screen grid and you will see select 4x6 and 5x6. So you will see after select 5x6, click on done, and you will see if you want to more apps, just click and hold on app and click on, and you will see add more app from here. So that's how you can fix more icons on home screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.